Howdy crew, the bank account for the corporation has officially been formed. Let's get to it. I decided to go with Chase for the bank account for the corporation. Reason being, they had a really good credit card to go with the account. And so with buying different things for the welding rig, it's going to get cash back on it. I would recommend that if y'all are looking into it, boost up credit score as much as possible, because it will help in the corporation as well, because they're going to look at you. They're going to look at what credit you have and whether you're a liability, the corporation can be a liability, or business in general. But I have always worked on the credit score. It's a really, really good credit score, so I was not worried about that. There is a decent limit on the credit card. I'm very happy about that. So I have a debit card and a credit card with them. Debit card comes with the checking account for it, but also filed for a credit card, so I'll be getting that very soon. And that way, there's several different credit cards that Chase has. They have one that has percentage for several different things, and one that has for one different thing. One single thing mostly, and that way when you buy different things, whichever credit card you use, you get percentage back. So just say you're buying a welding machine, how much money you're going to get back on that? You're paying with the debit card, you're not going to get anything. You pay cash, you're not going to get anything. Pay with the credit cards that they offer for businesses, you're going to get money back. If you buy $10,000, you're going to get $150 back. So it's 1.5%. It's not too bad. An extra $150 put gas in, or a part of a tank of gas, the way gas prices are. But I do recommend that y'all look through different companies. I do have Chase because I'm looking at getting the POS terminal. I forgot what the POS stands for at the moment. It's slipping from me. But instead of using Square or some other platform to have folks paying with credit card, I'm most likely going to be going through Chase. That is still to be determined. I've not ordered it yet, but I'm wanting to get their little terminal. It's a little thing. It prints out receipts. That way, doing a job for someone, I have them swipe their card, tap, whatever, and after punching in what it's going to cost, it rolls out the receipt, hand it to them. I have a copy online in the account. That way, everything's recorded. I don't have to go through a separate entity. It's all right there through Chase. So I'm looking at Chase as a really good move. Maybe in your area, a different company or a different bank will be a better move. I'm just saying for my situation, what I found at this moment was Chase was a really good option. I have the debit card and the credit card. Credit card will be used for most things. Debit card is just for emergency, if something has to be bought and for some reason the credit card's not working, but they're always going to be backed up. It's going to be fine. And they do have it to where they have the fraud prevention for the little POS terminal. They've changed the name over the past few years, so in my research for the little terminal, I have to look under several different names. That's why it's kind of confusing to remember what it is now. But the little terminal, it's similar to Square. If you see the little receipt come out, same difference, same machine, but that way it's already in Chase. It's not through a separate entity, back and forth, money, all that stuff. But finally got the account set up so that way I can start buying things. When ordering the truck, it's going to be going from that account to Ford, and it's all looking good. So everything's getting set up. It has to go in order. You can't order a truck, then form a company, then form an account unless you're willing to pay for it out of your personal pocket and then try and fiddle with taxes later on that. I was not willing to do it. Company, account, truck, other things. Other things might come first before the truck, but we're going to see how that all plays out timing-wise. But anywho's, really excited. Everything's going in order. Some little bumps in the road here and there, but nothing too bad. I'm very happy about that, and I'm excited for the next update. Hope y'all enjoyed.